This video demonstrates how to install Aurora Series columns onto Bruker's CaptiveSpray 2, CaptiveSpray Ultra, and CaptiveSpray Ultra 2 ion sources. Refer to the Ion Optics Help Center for a list of compatible UHPLCs and mass spectrometers. Listed here are the products featured in this video. Loosen the thumb screw underneath the column heater and slide it back to access the emitter lock. Remove the filter from the CaptiveSpray source air inlet. Unscrew the emitter lock in an anti-clockwise motion. Carefully remove the CSI protective cap from the column. Carefully insert the CSI fitting into the CaptiveSpray source in a single forward motion, paying close attention not to damage the emitter. Do not twist the fitting on insertion. Holding the emitter lock, insert over the column using the opening and tighten onto the source in a clockwise motion until you reach a firm stop. Using a gloved finger, block the air inlet and monitor the 4 pressure. The 4 vacuum needs to drop below 3E to the -1 millibar within 10 seconds to be considered usable. Reinstall the filter back into the source air inlet. Remove the lid of the column toaster and slide it in front of the source while positioning the column in the recess of the heater. Remove the shipping plug from the Nano Zero fitting. Holding the Nano Zero with a spanner, tighten the Nano Viper or similar fitting, finger tight, until you reach a firm stop. For columns longer than 8 cm, curl the column inside the heating plate and hold it in position by placing under the holding arm. Tighten the earth screw onto the Nano Zero to ensure that it is grounded and held in position. For columns shorter than 8 cm, place the column directly into the heater recess and hold in position by placing the holding arm onto the Nano Zero. This requires a replacement metal grounding arm supplied by Ion Optics to allow an earth connection with the Nano Zero. For 8 cm columns, use a 55 mm grounding arm. For columns shorter than 8 cm, use the 30 mm grounding arm. Place the lid on the heater. The column is now installed in the heater and ready for operation.